Welcome back. Today I want to show you something I got for Christmas, and it's a photography equipment. This is a ceiling stand for mounting lights, cameras from the ceiling. And I looked at this on Amazon. I thought, what could be an application for this for sculpture? Because I've been looking for something that's more flexible for working on my sculptures. And the way I'm going to use it is, I'm going to mount this on a board. It's got 4 holes here. You can just drill it. And this hook is meant when you hang it from the ceiling, you can, put a safety clip or something on there. So you are going to mount this like this, and it's got adjustable positions. This is the lowest position, but that's the beauty of it. So you undo it, you move it up and down, and you can buy these, I believe they're 17 millimeter tubes. Any photography place will have them. So you tighten it to the position. So now you have this extension, and you can get smaller or shorter extensions to this. So let's say that this is mounted. Now, at this point, I can have a model. So my sculpture, I can work on it over here. It's not intrusive, and it comes with this. This is a rosette, and it goes like this. So even if you wanted to just sculpt in the air, this is great. So imagine sculpting a head and then wanting to look from beneath up. You would just move this to the up position, and there you go. You would have more flexibility. So I'll be sharing some videos of the sculptures that I do with this. I've been looking for something similar to this because there's an artist I follow, and he uses something very similar, but he welded it himself. And it's more stable, his is more stable, but I think this might be the easiest way of doing something. And he is an animal sculptor, so he does a lot of things like deer jumping up in the air. That's why he uses something like this. At the end of this, what he uses is a couple of blocks of wood, because wood is very light, to bulk up the form. So I am really pleased with this. And this is not too expensive. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy this. I believe it's like $20. You can get it from Aliexpress as well for a couple of dollars less. But it's got a lot of possibilities, even if you don't want to use this sort of contraption. In the past, if you look at my sculptures that I've done, I'm going to remove this rosette. The rosette is plastic, is not that great. You want to find ones that have metal. So let's say I was sculpting something, and I'm going to kind of like just move this up to the position that I want. And let's just say that this part is the torso. Like I can put this directly just kind of holding the clay, and that's going to be a pretty substantial way of doing it. And then at the end, I simply just pop this out, and I'm done. So I'm very interested in using this for some upcoming sculptures. So stay tuned for that. I just wanted to give you this little tip. It's really inexpensive. It's light. Nowadays, with content creators creating views from the top down, there's a lot of this sort of stuff being sold. There's also tabletop ones that you can clamp onto a piece of wood. I just found that this one, the ceiling mount with the plate already here, you can just mount it on a piece of board, and that could be the only thing that you use for all your sculptures. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.